Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you decision control using Java. Decision control using Java. Now what does decision control actually mean? Decision control means that the if and else programs, that means if the condition is satisfied, you do one thing, otherwise you do the other thing. There's also an else if statement. I'm going to be showing that to you later. So yeah, let's jump into some codes and I'm going to be showing you what this decision control is all about. Okay, so first up we're going to be writing a simple if else code. So accepting age of a person and check whether he is eligible for voting or not. Okay, so let's write this code using if else. So let's get started. First up, we have to write the normal sentences. Public class, the name of the class. I have to stop giving these big names to it. Next up, public static void main. Ooh, wait. You know what? Let's do this code with scanner class. If you don't know what that is, check out my other videos about scanner classes. Links in the description below. Okay, so for scanner class, we have to import this file. You remember what it is, right? Yep. So that's done. Now this is gonna be, I'm gonna int a, that's the age of the person. Let's now set up a scanner. Okay, so scanner is set up, and so okay, now let's accept the age. So system.out.println. I always mess this spelling up. Whatever. System.out.println. Enter your age. That's it. So next up, yep, that's done. Oh shit. Okay, so that's done. So now comes the main decision control if else codes. So it's gonna start out like if. Now we have to give a first bracket, and inside the first bracket we have to write the condition. So for this I will be writing if a greater than equals to 18, means if age is greater than or equals to 18, sorry. System.out.println you are eligible for voting. Else system.out.println you are not. So we have to close the body of the else, close the main body, close the Java. Okay, so that's done. Compile the program. Fine. So now let's execute the program and see how it looks. It's asking my age. I'm gonna give age 19. I'm eligible for voting, guys. I'm eligible for voting. I'm gonna get the you're Donald Trump. I'm gonna kill you. You're eligible for voting. Yep. So that's the simple if-else code. Now we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna write, and what should we write? Yeah, we'll be writing a code using else if. So a code using else if. Yep, why not? Let's write something. So accepting 3 numbers and checking which one is the greatest. Right, so which one is the greatest? Okay, we will also use scanner class for this one. So import java.util. Yep, that's the regular stuff. Yep, so it's public class YouTube if else. That's the name of the class. Now public static void main string argv. By the way, guys, you can also use args instead of argv. I use argv just because I'm accustomed to that one. So let's see, int a accepting first variable a, in b accepting second variable b, in c accepting third variable c. Okay, set up our scanner. Scanner in equals sir. Yep. So next up, we're gonna accept the 3 variables from the user. System.out.println enter value of first number equals to I and similarly we're gonna accept the second and third numbers. I'm gonna just copy this, I'm too lazy. Enter the value of second number, and this with instead of a it's gonna be b, because we are accepting the second number in the b variable. So next is enter value of third number, and this is gonna be c. Okay, so we got our 3 numbers, and now let's start the if else code. So if we are okay, so if a greater than c and for and we have to use double ampersand, so remember that. A greater than b and this entire thing should be in another brackets. So this, and let's close this one, this, right. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, we can write system.out.println A is the greatest, right. We can close this if. Now comes the fun part. We are going to use a new statement called else if. So else if, we are going to write the second condition, that is B greater than A and B greater than C. So if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, we can write that system.out.println B is the greatest, right. B is the greatest. I'm gonna close this else if statement, and then the standard else statement. Else may, now here else means that both the first and the second conditions will not work. That means C will be greater than B and C will be greater than A. So for that we can write system.out.println. Did I write it correct? No. System.out.println C is the greatest, right. So close this else body, close this, close this. Okay, so compile this code. No syntax errors, just like a pro. Okay, so enter the value of first number. I'm gonna give 45. Second one, let's give 67. Third, let's give 78. C is the greatest, and C means we gave 78, so 78 is the greatest. Yeah, we can make a little change in this code, like to make it more user friendly. We can write, instead of A is the greatest, we can write A plus is the greatest. That's gonna show the value of A. B plus is the greatest. That's gonna show the value of B, and C plus is the greatest is gonna show the value of C. So compile this again. Okay, so enter the value of first number, let's give 34. Enter the value of second number, let's give 76. And the value of third number, let's give 43. 76 is the greatest, right. So now you got your own decision control codes. I hope you understand whatever I taught you in this lesson. Okay, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. By the way guys, follow me on Twitter at technodebodreader. Link will be down in the description at technodebodreader. Please like and subscribe the videos, as all of your support is really important for me and for my career as a YouTuber. Thank you guys, see you next time.